Hello. It's Christmas chess time. Play some 5-minute Christmas chess. Alright, I'm black against a Brazilian, and he plays the insane birds opening. Okay, I guess I need to do something about that. I have no idea what you play against that. Okay, that makes sense. What if I do this in Fianchetto? Maybe it's silly. I want to check that. So if I hit him, he takes back. I check, he just blocks with the pawn, and I can't click squares. GD it. GD it all to H. Well, let's just gain space. Maybe I can put a pawn here and get my pieces out, and then I kind of control this side of the board at least. Really? I'm gonna not react to that. Okay, I'm messing up, obviously. He must have some tactic here. This seems like I'm in a world of trouble since my knight is pinned and double attacked. It is triple defended at this juncture, but so if he puts this pawn out, he just does that pawn. Okay, well, I guess I gotta back this guy up. And he takes it. Doesn't that let me challenge this knight? Does he not care? I don't know. Should he care? Well, that I certainly do have to care about, because he's threatening checkmate. And if I put my queen here, am I asking for trouble? Say I put my queen here, since I can't click. It's so risky though, just by showing you that, like if I accidentally let go, my goodness. Or I take it, and he takes back with the queen, and then I play my bishop. I can't play my bishop out. Wow. Something's telling me I should do this, and he takes it. I take with the king. I'm going to go for this. I need to remember that my knight is only protected by my king, right? But like this, so my king's in the center. He seems quite safe. This guy's pieces are undeveloped. I can... No, I can't, because this thing behind. I was thinking I could double take this pawn here, but I can't. If I scare his queen away first, do I do something? And then I can double take? Because then this pawn is no longer hanging. Yeah, now I should be able to double take, right? Pawn's a pawn, and it's a pawn with check, so... Oh, maybe he's getting it back, yeah. At least I'm temporarily hanging on to this pawn. Okay, I need to get rid of this guy. Now, how am I taking? Am I taking with the pawn or with the queen? Wait, I can take it first. And then I'm hiding my queen somewhere. I mean, I could trade queens here. Is he getting something for that? You know what? Let's trade queens. I'm going to say that my king in the center is stronger than your weak-ass king. Pardon my language. Oh my god. Okay, but the problem is now I'm down on time. So what do I want to do? I want to attack this pawn. Yeah. Right. So I need to do something here. Gotta protect this pawn. What am I doing? It seems weak to bring my bishop back, but I might have to. Now I don't have to worry about that. It's nice. That's nice of him. Ooh, gonna give me that pawn, huh? Thank you very much. And I might be able to gobble up this pawn also. I don't think he has any way to protect that pawn. So I'm going to be up 3 pawns. Oh my goodness, this better not be a work call. Oh, even worse. Oh, I see what he's going for here. Yeah. Do I have some bad stuff coming my way? Okay, my new plan is I want to hit this pawn by moving this pawn. Okay, well, that plan's gone, but maybe we can just get behind this pawn and run it to glory. Gonna say I don't care. Gonna say I don't care. So I want to gobble this pawn. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Really don't want to checkmate myself here. That's fine. Wait, what am I doing? It's really silly. Oh, sorry for not talking at the end there at all, but I was very focused. So according to Mr. here, one player was winning and then blundered it away. So I guess I was losing. I also made 5 mistakes and 2 blunders. So, not my strongest game, but I did win. Yeah, the bird opening, that's funny. Maybe this is a weird thing to reply. Maybe a better reply is that. I don't know. I mean, I was, of course, thinking that I could somehow get a check on h4 with some kind of attack. But, I mean, I figure if this guy's 1326 and playing this, he knows how to defend that. But what can you do? Okay. Thank you all for watching. And by you all, I mean no one. No, just kidding. Derek, this one's for you, buddy. Later.